finance, a la shmup. What is compounding value or compounding interest? The power of compounding. It makes trees stronger, pollution more feral, and the rich, well, richer. How so? Well, let's start with compounds kissin' cousin with 6 toes, arithmetic compounding, right? So the first was really geometric compounding. Now we're talking about arithmetic compounding. If you invest $1,000 in a 10-year bond that pays 6% a year in interest, the dough comes back to you in a pattern that looks like this. Like every 6 months, they pay $30 and it's $60 a year. Got it? Nice. You get the total of $1,600 back from your investment, and the cash that came back to you, came in small parts all along the way until you got about 2/3 of it, or 60% at the end, right? If you just spent that money and, collected your $1,000 at the end, that's it, okay? So that's arithmetic compounding. The money comes to you, you don't reinvest it, ding, 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 that's the key here, and you just, go buy burgers. Okay, so now let's look at what 6% compounded looks like over the same 10-year period. Well, at the end of year one, it's $1,060, and note, we're only going to compound it annually. We probably should do this semi-annually, but we'd confuse you even more, so we won't do that. But then you essentially reinvest that money, and you get another 6% compounded on that $1,060 instead of 6% compounded against the original $1,000. So by the end of year 2, you'll have $1,123.60, and by the end of year 10, you'll have $1,790.85. So why do you make so much more money when you compound interest versus getting $30 twice a year like you would in this bond example? Going buying burgers with it? Yeah, you don't want to do that. Well, essentially what's happening is that you are delaying your gratification of getting that sweet, sweet cash, or getting liquid, whatever you want to call it, by reinvesting your gains year after year after year. So do you have that sort of self-control? Do you need the cash? Yeah, that's the question. If you, for example, have trouble making it home from your local pizza spot with the pie intact, well, then compound interest, keeping the discipline to not spend the money today and wait for the happiness tomorrow, well, then that may not be for you. Sorry.